Welcome to qnawire.
So we know from the first ticket that it costs you $3 to play the game, and if X is the random variable of how much money you can net, then if it's $1,000 ticket, you net $9.97, and there's a 1 out of 1,000 chance of that happening. And if you get the $500 prize, then you net $4.97, and again, there's only one ticket out of 1,000 that has that. And then if you get the $100 prize, you're going to only net 97, and there were 5 of those tickets. So the most likely thing to happen was that you just lose your $3 and you have a 993 out of 1,000 chance. And so in the previous question, in number 15, we find what the expected value of X is by taking that 997 times the 1 over 1,000 plus the 497 times the 1 over 1,000, and so on, the 97 over times the 5 over 1,000, and the -3 times. So we're basically doing question 15 in 16. And when we do this, we end up getting -1. So that's what we expect to happen if you play the game once. Well, what happens if you have a new random variable and you think of playing the game once and also playing the game again and find out what's going to end up happening? And so what is the expected value if you play the game twice? Well, the first time you play the game, you expect to have a certain earning, plus the second time you play the game, you expect to have the earning. And so you're going to have -1 and -1. You would expect to lose $2. All right, so that's what your expected value would be. So we'll find that when we have a random variable that is the sum of two random variables, that we do simply just add the mean of each one separately to find that. So we would expect if you play twice, you're going to lose on the average $2.